Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to all who've joined us today. On behalf of the management, staff, and students, I would like to welcome you all to today's Parents Forum workshop organized proudly by the members of the Parents Forum. The theme and the title for today's Parents Workshop is Think Before You Click. Parenting is one of the most hardest jobs and the most important one. With the rise and increase in the use of digital technology, it is of utmost importance that parents are equipped with the right knowledge to keep children safe online. It is also very important to acknowledge the fact and the role the school plays in promoting this knowledge and education. Today's workshop is the brainchild of our Honorable Principal, along with our online safety team, and of course, the members of the Parents Forum. Let us now begin today's workshop with the recitation of the verses from the Holy Quran.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس إله الناس من شر الوسواس الخناس الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس.
I now request everyone to rise for the UAE National Anthem. Thank you. I now request our esteemed principal, Ms. Fauzia Hassan, to begin today's workshop by addressing our parents, students, and staff. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Ms. Kiran. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. And good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's an honor to be on a platform with like-minded people who have taken out time from their busy schedules to make things better for our children. I appreciate and salute your attitude, interest, and sensitivity to conduct this workshop to empower students by employing the latest smart technologies and applications safely to prepare this generation to keep abreast of future developments. I welcome you all to this workshop and thank the Parent Forum for readily volunteering to work for the benefit of BIS community. The focus of this workshop is to keep our children safe on internet and to guide them to think before they click. We are all affected with this pandemic in one way or the other. With this, Technology has played a role to keep things moving. We are familiar with the popular saying, excess of anything is not good. And hence, we should treat technology as a tool and not make it our master. This is where e-safety takes its role. eSafe School is one of the initiatives of Khalifa Empowerment Program that aims to assess the online safety levels at schools, as well as the basics of health and safety measures while using smart devices, social network, and many other topics of interest to users of modern technologies. This initiative also looks forward to educate, protect, and invest in the students who are the source of the start of the nations and the building of civilizations. We seek to discover and channelize our students' energy to boost their creativity through smart learning approaches and education using the latest technology. Keeping this in mind, we need to raise awareness and share knowledge to keep ourselves and our children safe. That is why we reworked on all our policies and have already shared a few of them. We'll be sharing more policies with you, such as social media policy, behavior policy, well-being policy, and many others. We'll request you to ask questions if you need any kind of clarifications. I do hope that though difficult, but together we shall be able to overcome all hurdles and will be able to equip our children with the profound knowledge and the core values of BIS, which are peace, respect, integrity, and cooperation, which will help them to face the world and solve problems with brilliant attitude. Without losing much time, I will introduce you here to the Parent Forum members and the school team who had been working very actively. I feel honored to welcome them, our Vice President, Ms. Irama Afridi, Joint Secretary, Ms. Feji Ibrahim, eSafety Ambassador, Ms. Vicky Sherrill, and Mr. George Gambo, Health Ambassador, Ms. Badaria and Ms. Susan, Ideas Ambassador, Ms. Fatima, Cultural Ambassadors, Ms. Nada, Ms. Badaria, and our Learning Support Ambassadors, Mr. Ahmed and Mr. Khan. Thank you, dear parents, for this initiative that you have stepped up and the support that you have all offered to us. Here, you also see the members of the eSafety team at school, which comprises of eSafety officer, Ms. Shazia Rashid, and her team. Next slide. We have also worked to make our students more responsible and alert and have appointed student digital leaders from each section. Very proudly, I share their names here. Without further delay, I thank all of you for your presence here and request Ms. Kiran to carry on with the program. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.